Welcome you all to Aito Educom today 11th February 2021 in our today's Let's Know GK and GS study in English. Welcome you all. First of all, we will be discuss about yesterday's quiz questions. As per your yesterday's quiz question, your first question was which country is resettling its refugees in the Bhashan Charasa Island? Which country is settling its refugee in the Bhashan Charasa Island? It is Bangladesh. Your second question was which is the venue of the exercise desert night 21? Which is the venue for exercise desert night 21? Your right answer is Jodhpur Airport Station. Now we will go to your third question. Union Home Minister is to launch the single window clearance system in which sector? Union Home Minister is to launch the single window clearance system in which sector? Your right answer is coal sector. Yesterday's fourth quiz question was which Indian company has partnered with UNICEF to distribute vaccines around the world? Which Indian company has partnered with UNICEF to distribute vaccines around the world? Your right answer is the Serum Institute of India. The Serum Institute of India. Your last question was which state announced that it will include the history of Sikh gurus in school curriculum? Which state announced that it will include the history of Sikh gurus in school curriculum? And the right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Thank you guys who are participating in the quiz question. Now we'll be go to our next session, means today's topic of discussion. The first question is which continent has not a single volcano? Which continent has not a single volcano? Your options are A. India, B. Australia, C. England, D. South Africa. Which continent has not a single volcano? Your right answer is B. Australia. Your second question is Hindi Day is celebrated on which date? Hindi Day is celebrated on which date? Option A 26th January, option B 15th August, option C 2nd November, option D 14th September. And your right answer is 14th September. The third question is which country is known as the birthright of a cricket game? Your options are A. India, B. Australia, C. England, option D. South Africa. Which country is known as the birthright of a cricket game? And the right answer is C. England. Now we will go to our next question. Which is the national flower of India? Option A. Lily. Option B. Marigold. Option C. Lotus. Option D. Jasmine. What is the national flower of India? Your right answer C. Lotus. Now we'll be go to Our fifth question: which bank is called Bankers Bank of India? Which bank is called Bankers Bank of India? Option A, Bank of India. Option B, State Bank of India. Option C, Reserve Bank of India. Option D, State Bank of Hyderabad. Which bank is called Bankers Bank of India? Your right answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Now your sixth question is, who was the first person to set foot on moon? Who was the first person to set foot on moon? Options are A, Buzz Aldrin, B, Neil Armstrong, C, Alan Bean, option D, Pat Cunard. Who was the first person to set foot on moon? Your right answer is B, Neil Armstrong. Your seventh question is, which is the second largest country in the world? Which is the second largest country in the world? Your options are A, Canada, B, China, C, India, D, Russia. Which is the second largest country in the world? And your right answer is A, Canada. Today's eighth question is, the Folded Earth book was written by whom? Option A, Anuradha Roy. Option B, Rukun Advani. Option C, Arundhati Roy. Option D, Ashraf. The Folded Earth book was written by. Your right answer is A, Anuradha Roy. Today's ninth question is, what is the oldest language in India? What is the oldest language in India? A, Hindi, B, Tamil, option C, Sanskrit, option D, Marathi. What is the oldest language in India? And your right answer is option C, Sanskrit. Now, today's last question of discussion is, which continent is known as dark continent? Which continent is known as dark continent? A, Asia, B, Europe, C, America, option D, Africa. Which continent is known as dark continent? And the right answer is D, Africa. Thank you all to participate in today's discussion. Now we'll be continue to our today's quiz. To participate in our quiz, just you have to subscribe, like and share our videos, and just write down the answers of each questions. The first question of today's quiz is, India's first thunderstorm research test bed to be established in which state? India's first thunderstorm research test bed to be established in which state? Your second question is, Indian Army lays foundation of 100-foot high national flag in which city? Indian Army lays foundation of 100-foot high national flag in which city? Your third question is, Which bank launches Paid First saving account scheme for children? Which bank launches Paid First saving account scheme for children? Your fourth question is, who becomes third Indian pacer to take 300 Test wickets? Who becomes third Indian pacer to take 300 Test wickets? Now come to your last question for today's quiz. Who is the author of By Many a Happy Accident? Recollections of a Life? Who is the author of By Many a Happy Accident? Recollections of a Life? Please participate and get a chance to win a Samsung tab. Thank you. Best of luck for your next exam. Please like, subscribe, and share at